Now we are going to see Flexible Table App, which is an app PM oriented that will help your different teams across your organization to increase the productivity. Here, as you can see, we have a table that it's possible to be group and subgroup. Moreover, all these issues that you can see here, they are bring from different projects and different spaces. It can be also bring here by different JQLs and filters. We can not only group by different sections, but also filtering, sort, pin columns, and finally save views as well. And last but not least, here we have a timeline, which is giving you the possibility of having all your custom fields in a table view, but also a deadline, which is fully operative, that allow you to move the different deadlines and also even link one issue with another one directly from here. Finally, we have here the summary, which is showing you the total sum up of the different percentages of status to see if your issues are in to do, in progress, or done.